Careful.
I'm so
You just stayed there.
Sorry.
He didn't even flinch. Look, he's trying not to laugh.
Oh, God.
Really going at it.
Look at that, right under the guard's feet.
Don't they even
Like a twitch. Incredible.
Oh, there it is. Hey, come back!
Back!
That's my lunch!
It's the Queen's dog.
He just nicked it.
Well, guess he's earned it.
Oh my gosh, look at the goose!
He's heading right for him.
Keep filming, keep filming. No way!
Doesn't even flinch.
Oh my god, he's right in his face.
Guards a statue.
Oh, look at them go.
Go on, cheeky lads. Nearly wiped out.
They're not even flinching.
Guards are carved from stone, I swear. Get it, pups.
Best thing I've seen all trip.
Oh no, mate, you dropped them.
Uh-oh, here they go.
Whoa! Oh my god!
They're everywhere.
Oh, look at that one, it's right in his face.
Wait, it's on his hat. It's on the guard's hat.
No way. He isn't moving.
Stone cold,
This
look at
is
him.
wild. Bye-bye, birdie.
That's the toughest guy in London.
That's so nice.
Oh, blimey.
Is that the Queen's corgi?
Easy, mate.
Careful. Ah, he got him. That was
The
brilliant.
little king stood his ground.
Look at him sulking now.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
It's on his hat.
Hold still, hold still.
Taking a photo. He isn't even moving.
Brave man.
That's huge.
Oh, it's going.
There it goes. Got it. That's brilliant.
Think he smiled? I swear.
Come, sweetheart, blow gently.
It landed on him.
Don't laugh too loud.
Sorry.
Another one.
Yep.
All right, that's enough. Let's let them work.
Look at them, they don't even blink.
Oh my gosh.
There's a bird on his hat.
Don't scare it.
He's still not moving.
That's wild.
I wish I'd got that on video.
Oh my gosh, look at
He's
that.
just sitting there.
He's not moving at all. Incredible.
Don't scare it, don't scare it.
Fix his hat.
Respect to this guy, he's solid.
Aha, brilliant.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It's on his hat. He's just sitting there. Don't laugh, don't laugh. He's not moving. Wow.
There it
That was
goes.
amazing.
Oh my gosh, look at that bird.
He's going for it.
Oh, wait.
It's on his hat.
He's not moving.
How does he keep a straight face?
I'd be cracking up.
Oh, it picked him.
Did you see that smile?
He almost laughed.
There we go. That was brilliant.
Oh my gosh, Liv, don't do it.
Watch me.
Woo! Oh no, he's gonna laugh.
He's keeping it together.
Respect, respect.
Sorry about that.
Daddy's by his shoe.
I see it, just stay still a sec. Got it. Sorry sir, didn't
He
mean.
didn't even blink.
That's the idea. Right, let's move along.
Ready, Jess?
Go on then. Attention!
You're gonna make him laugh, Jess.
Oh! He just sleep in it!
Got the whole thing.
Alright, got it. One more step back. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, I'm good. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Didn't mean to, thanks.
Okay?
Yeah, survived. My pride, not so much.
Look at them, they don't even blink.
Oh my gosh.
There's a bird on his hat.
Don't scare it.
He's still not moving.
That's wild.
I wish I'd got that on video. Careful. You just stayed there.
Sorry.
He didn't even flinch. Look, he's trying not to laugh.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It's on his hat. He's just sitting there. Don't laugh, don't laugh. He's not moving. Wow.
There it
That was
goes.
amazing.
Careful, careful.
He's licking his boot.
Sorry. Come here.
He's not moving a muscle. I think he smiled.
Come on, Money. Let's go.
That was adorable.
Look at them, they don't even blink.
Oh, there it is, coming down.
Wait.
It's on his hat. It's actually sitting there.
That bird's got some nerve. He didn't break? Impressive.
Go on, sweetheart, blow it.
Okay.
Oh, it's staying. Look at that.
Sorry, sir. Thank you.
He didn't move.
I think he liked it.
One more, then we're done, okay? Look at that. He's coming in.
Oh my gosh. Daddy, the bird.
Yep, he's landing. Watch.
No way.
It's on his hat.
He can't move. He's holding it together.
I think he smiled.
There it goes.
Bye bye, birdie.
Oh, wow, that's bold.
He's aiming right at them.
Love it.
Oh, look, he's trying not to laugh. There it is! Got him.
Cheers, mate.
Go on, sweetie. Hold them up.
These are for you.
Louder, darling.
They're for you.
Thank you.
Took them.
Thank you, sir. Have a lovely day.
Come on, sweetheart. Just like we practiced.
For you?
That's lovely, isn't it?
Say thank you, honey.
All right, let's give him some space.